Is Commbank safe? Let's break it down. You've got hard-earned cash in there, right? Your savings, your paycheck, maybe even a little something extra for that dream vacation. So, it's a pretty big deal to know if your money is safe, isn't it? Today, we're diving deep into Commbank. Is it really as secure as they claim? Let's find out. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's get something straight. No bank is completely invincible. There's always a risk, no matter where you put your money. But some banks are definitely better at managing that risk than others. And that's where we come in. Commbank is one of Australia's biggest banks. It's been around for ages, and it handles billions of dollars every day. That kind of size and reputation can be reassuring, but it can also make you wonder, with that much money on the line, is it really safe? Let's talk about security features. Commbank boasts a pretty impressive lineup. They've got advanced encryption, biometric login options, and fraud detection systems that work around the clock. On paper, it sounds solid. But do these features really stand up to real-world threats? We'll dig into real-life examples of Commbank security breaches, if there are any. It's essential to know how the bank handled those situations. Did they protect their customers' money? How transparent were they about the breach? These are questions that matter. But security isn't just about technology. It's also about people. We'll discuss how well Commbank educates its customers about online safety. Are they doing enough to help you protect yourself from phishing scams, identity theft, and other common threats? Another crucial aspect is customer support. What happens if something goes wrong? How easy is it to reach Commbank? Do they have your back in case of fraud or unauthorized transactions? We'll explore Commbank's customer service reputation and share some real-life experiences. And let's not forget about interest rates and fees. While these might not seem directly related to security, they can impact your financial health. A bank that offers competitive rates and low fees can help you grow your money, which indirectly enhances your financial security. We'll also touch on the importance of diversification. Putting all your eggs in one basket, even a seemingly secure one like Commbank, can be risky. We'll discuss the benefits of spreading your money across different banks or investment options. So, is Commbank safe? By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture. We'll weigh the pros and cons, analyze the evidence, and give you our honest assessment. But remember, this is just information. You're the one who ultimately decides where to put your money. Do your own research, consider your financial goals, and make an informed choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.